Okay, they want you to make sure that your plug-in works. So here we go. This plug-in works. Okay, but that's not the item we're talking about, so I will unplug that. And this is the item we're speaking of, the Pharata Humidifier that does not work anymore. Plug it into that exact spot and put some water in it, so it will not even turn on. Now typically it will work even with a small amount. It will go all the way to the bottom when it is working. When it is working, it's a good unit. So we're turning it on. Nothing happens. Nothing. The light? Nope. Nothing. It's dead, Jim. So there you have it.
This is the Pharata 2.5 liter humidifier. You can see here it's super easy to pour in the water. No mess, no turning it upside down to refill. You can change the direction of your humidifier any way you want. And then down here is the knob to turn on. So it's nice and quiet when it gets going. And it can be pretty powerful, so that's really nice for those days when the kids are super stuffed up. There's another setting that makes it glow, all different colors, so my son loves it when he's getting ready for bed as a little night light.
Was pretty good. Use it on the first try. It looks good. And I really like this control, like this is really max, that you can really see the, you know, the cold air. And then if you actually turn it on to low, it actually did bring it down significantly. I mean, overall it's good. So far so good.
Humidifier works great. I use these little 3-quart water thing to fill it up. I could fill it up twice. It's got color changing. You can control the power, turn it off, turn it all the way up. It's been a game changer.
So that's on full, and you can see all of that steam coming out. Whereas this one, it's on full, and there's like barely anything coming out. Plus the water on this one goes down much slower than the other one.
Ooh. So you turn it down. There it's off. I like it up high. There's the button for the light, which is so cool. And it turns different colors. Ooh.
This is whisper quiet. It's perfect and a nice strong output. Plus it'll run all night long, no problem. Plenty of water.
supposed to be new.
This humidifier works so well, lots of different levels. There's also lights. The only feature I wish it had was a timer, but for the price you can't really get a better humidifier.
It is not working. We tried everything. We checked the filter. We tried filling up to the max line. We tried different plugs. There's nothing we can do.
Black mold inside that is impossible to clean out.
What's going on? What?
And they found that 97% of participants felt more energy after 30 days of drinking.